Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Vega helmet pads. Start by working in a clean, well-lit space and place the helmet on a soft towel. Gently peel pads from the lining edges using fingertip pressure, not sharp tools, and note each pad location for reassembly. Inspect attachment areas for clips or Velcro and keep small parts in a container to avoid losing them. Gather simple tools before you begin: clean hands, a soft towel, and a small flat plastic pry tool for tight clips. Lay the helmet upside down on the towel to prevent scratches. Remove pads one at a time while observing how they attach to the lining and shell. Keep all tiny fasteners in a container and photograph each step to make reassembly straightforward and foolproof. On another note, quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers for tidy lunches that won't spill in your bag. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more step-by-step guides and tips. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab a set if you pack meals between rides. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by removing cheek pads first, then sides, and finally the crown pad to maintain order. Find each attachment point and lift gently along the seam, feeling for clips or Velcro as you go. Avoid pulling from the center of a pad to prevent tearing or deformation. Place pads flat on the towel and label positions if necessary so reinstallation returns the helmet to its original fit and comfort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.